What's the meaning of chartered? Chartered. Chartered.
Chartered. Chartered. The term chartered refers to a formal authorization or agreement that grants certain rights and privileges to an individual or organization. When an entity is chartered, they are given legal authority to operate and conduct specific activities within a defined scope. This can include everything from forming a corporation, to establishing a professional association, or even starting a school. The charter lays out the rules, responsibilities and limitations that apply to the chartered entity, providing a framework for its operation and ensuring accountability to relevant authorities.